Hi everyone. In this lesson video we are going to be talking about positive and negative space. Let me show you what you're going to be making. This is just your practice one, and we're going to be using a small square for the practice. And positive space is where an object is taking up space in your picture. So this would be positive, and then the negative space is the empty space left behind. When I go through the video today, I'm going to show you two ways to do positive and negative space. This one here, I call it just a single flip. A single flip, a single flip. But these two here are examples of double flips because I flipped it once and then I flipped it again. Okay? So let me set this aside and I'm going to show you how to begin. So you're going to get a white piece of paper and a square. You're going to take the black square and you're going to trace it around. Okay? And that's what I did. I jumped ahead and did this already. Then on your black square, we're going to work on one side at a time. And for the video, I'm going to use a marker so you can see what I'm doing, but you're going to be using a pencil. So I have this here. I'm going to start on this side. And what I'm going to do, and because Valentine's Day is coming up, I'm going to do half of a heart. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to draw half of a heart. And then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut on that line. Now yours is going to be in pencil. So you won't notice it as much. So now I have these pieces. I'm going to set my square back in its place. And now it's kind of like a puzzle. Here's where the heart went. Now I'm going to flip it like I'm opening a door, and I'm going to line it up to match. You can see where these points touch, these points touch. Now I'm going to just get my glue, and I like just using the top here, and I'm going to put some glue on this back side of the half of a heart, and now I'm going to line it up right on that line again and glue that down. Okay, so there's one side. I'm going to take the square, take the square away again. And this time, I'm going to go to this spot, and I'm going to maybe I'll make a square or a rectangle. Now I can't touch this shape. My shape has to start and end on the same line. Oop. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to cut I'm going to take this piece, put it back where it goes, and now here's the puzzle piece. That's how I had it. Now I'm going to flip it and line it up where it's going to be glued. Okay? I'm going to come back, take this away, come back with my glue, and glue it down.
Mrs. Lawrence? Hello.
We're going to pretend that I didn't hear that. Okay, so now I'm going to take this away and I'm going to work on this side. I'm going to make a little heart here again. Okay. I'm going to cut it out. Now this one I'm going to do a double flip. Double flip. So I'm going to put this back where it belongs. Here's that. I've cut out one, and this is going to go here, but I want to make a double. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to cut out another smaller shape there. So now how do we put this all together? This is where it gets confusing. So here's the puzzle piece. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to put some glue on, and this is going to line up here. So see how this point lines up here and point lines up here. So I've glued that down. Now this, it would go here like that. That's how it matches up. But I've got to flip it. And now I've got to line that up like that. You see? Now I could squeeze in a little shape here, but for my video I'm just going to end it. So I'm taking this off, flipping it over, putting some glue on the back, and I'm going to line it up where that square belongs. And there you have it. Positive space, negative space, a single flip, a double flip. All right, so now it's your turn to practice.